in and check this one out. Okay, so as you can see, this one's got a wide entrance, and so I've got a nice little sitting area across this side here as soon as you walk in. Nice high ceilings, and then in the entryway they've also put some nice striped wallpaper as well, just to give it a little bit more charm and depth. And then come across here and you've got a nice void as well going straight up into the upstairs area where I think the bedrooms are. Nice hardwood floors, and got the garage through here, got a little study, little nook area in here, and you've also got, I don't know if you can see, there's a little powder room through there as well. And then we'll go across into the main entry. Oh, so this is lovely. So this is like a little outside courtyard, well, a little pond area. Lovely French windows. Across here you've got your living area and onto your kitchen, which have made this kitchen into a kitchen slash dining area, because you've got this beautiful, huge marble bench top that connects onto your table. So I guess you've got everyone sort of around the kitchen area, which is great. Great, nice family atmosphere. Nice solid wood table, like the pendants. Then you've got a little courtyard through here, little pizza oven over there. So this is definitely feels a little bit more modern, but still has that nice sort of classic feel thanks to the French windows too. They've chosen here to have a glass splashback, so no tiles. I prefer tiles, although glass is much easier to clean. And they've got a butler's pantry here as well. Again, more of a modern sort of feel to the last house that we looked at, but they've got lots of pantry space in there as well. And let's go upstairs. So I think there should be another bathroom in here, which we might have missed out. Oh, here we go. So we've got the laundry. So just a really simple laundry. Doesn't have any overhead storage, but you've got lots of storage here and across here as well, which is, I guess, where your washing and dryers go. And let's go upstairs. Nice staircase. Okay, so I like how they've got the void here as well. Should we go left or should we go right? That way. That's left. Okay, so we've got cute little window seat. You've got a little bedroom through here. So this would be a guest bedroom, which looks like connects, they've got a bathroom here that connects to the other guest bedroom, but we'll go around the other way to have a bit of a look. Nice little artwork. Okay, so this is another, could be a kid's room, I think, because we've got a nice little study nook, if you can see just around the corner. And then this connects, you've got the bathroom over here that connects onto that guest bedroom that we saw. So it's a good way to do it. So I've got a little separate toilet. You've got shower and a bath. Nice as well. I think you guys know which one my favorite has been so far, but this is beautiful. Oh, we've missed one. Go back, go back. And this is another bedroom. And so I guess the master bedroom would be on the other side, which we'll head towards right now. Nice little pendant, although I feel that they needed a bigger pendant here. I don't know if it's just me, but for such a big void, they needed like a longer pendant, a chandelier, just a big one. Okay, this is definitely the master bedroom here. Lots of room, lots of space, beautiful plantation shutters, and huge bathroom with no door. I don't know what's going on here, guys, but this must be just for the display homes because no bathrooms have doors. Okay. But you've got a beautiful, nice, oh God, this is a huge bathtub, babe. Massive. Also, I feel like if you're bathing kids in here, you literally need to have a step because some of these baths can get so high. I don't know how you don't kill yourself going in and out. But I love it. You've got a little seat over here, and you've got also a walk-in wardrobe, which is great. And I think through that way, you've got the little, ooh, hello. Now this feels like I'm in a resort. Nice big shower, echoes. Okay, let's get out. So that's it.
What are the highlights for you from this house?
The highlights for me would be as soon as we walked in and you've got that beautiful long corridor and that beautiful void next to the staircase, which I really love because it's got that wow factor as soon as you walk in. It's got a really nice sort of, so this area here, this is my wow factor. Love that, love the French windows, love the void, the staircase.
So it could do with a bigger chandelier in this area?
Yes, because it's got such a wow factor. I would have thought they would have picked a big, bigger chandelier pendant, but we'll let them do it this way. That's just something small that I picked out. But very nice. Let me know, you guys, which one is your favorite house so far. House number 1, house number 2, or house number 3.